Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create a YouTube channel using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your YouTube app. Then just go ahead and click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen. And here you can see the Your Channel option. So just go ahead and click on that. And now you can just go ahead and put the name and the handle and your picture. Okay. So for example, this is you're happy with your name, handle, and your picture. Okay. So I want you to do is to click on create channel. And now you have your channel. So that's it. That is how you create a YouTube channel using your iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.